Here's how I made my Frodo costume for Halloween. I started by making the Fellowship cloak. I bought 3 yards of green fleece and followed Snapping Dragon Leather's tutorial with a few tweaks. First, I cut the main body of the cloak, which is a big half circle with a 127 centimeter radius. Then I cut 2 hood pieces. I sewed the hood pieces together, here's the tension that worked for me, flipped it inside out, and attached it to the cloak. Next is hemming. I used stitch 22 on my machine for a decorative edge and hemmed the front opening. I also added interfacing at the top so it can handle the weight of the cloak, since this is where the closure will go. I hemmed around the hood as well and left the bottom of the cloak unhemmed since it won't fray and I don't want to add extra bulk there. Finally, I added 2 hook and eye clasps so the brooch isn't holding all the weight when I wear it. Moving on to the pants. I thrifted some Frodo-esque pants, but they were too large, so I took them in at the back seam. This meant removing the pocket since it was in the way, disconnecting the waistband, taking in the back, and then taking in the waistband and the elastic as well. Then I reattached the waistband and finally put the pocket back on. As for the rest of the outfit, I thrifted this white Free People shirt for $4, grabbed this top on Amazon to layer it, got the elven brooch which came with this chain on there as well, and used my husband's spare wedding ring as the one ring. It happens to just be a cheap Amazon ring. Everything I used for this costume is linked in my Amazon storefront in my channel bio, as well as some lookalikes for the items I thrifted, and the Fellowship cloak tutorial is linked in the comments. And that's the costume. Subscribe for more sewing videos.